Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing my March Ipsy box. Super excited because this is a thick one and I want to see what's in here. Obviously, we're going to be in it together. All I did was take the seal off, but I haven't peeked inside because we are going to be surprising ourselves with this together and unboxing it. So before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up for me and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much if you do, but if you want to see my March Ipsy box and what I got inside, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, I am very excited to open this up. Like I always say, I love these monthly surprises so much. Like, I really do not peek at what's inside until we're on camera together because I want this to be our thing. So we're gonna open this up, we're gonna see what I got, and then I am going to try whatever I can try for you. So as usual, you've got Ipsy on the top, and then you have Glam Bag, BoxyCharm, Icon Box, and then I can't remember what's underneath. I ripped it off with that little tab, but whatever. So opening this up, you have the Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok handles. And then it just says Ipsy. And then we have our monthly newsletter. So this is the one where you'll scan here and it'll take you to the Ipsy page where they tell you like descriptions and prices of what you have in your box. So I just went on Ipsy's website and I pulled it up to make this faster. So the first product I'm seeing just on the website is AVANT Skincare HYDRA-BRIGHT Collagen Eye Restoring Pads. Let me see what these are. This is actually so adorable. Whoever came up with this packaging, A++. It's like a little, what do you call these? Like a crossword, not a crossword puzzle, a word search. So freaking cute. There's 3 pairs in here. Let me read the description. Okay, the value is $75. I was not expecting that, but I guess like this packaging is so intricate. What are these made of? So there's 3 in here. It's full sized, and then it says these little gems are here to help brighten and smooth your under eyes in just 10 minutes. Each pad is saturated with a complex combination of active ingredients like collagen, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera to intensely hydrate and help minimize the look of fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness. Hello, bright eyes. These better work magic for $75. That is actually insane. I don't know what I was expecting the price to be, but $75 for 3 pairs of eye patches seems like a lot. And here's what they look like, just like regular eye patches. I'm gonna have to like save these for a special occasion or something and try them. I really am tempted to try them tonight though. I shouldn't because I'm just going to bed, but I might. We'll see. You know what? You only live once. We will see. I love the idea of this. I love anything depuffing, helping to get rid of dark circles under your eyes, anything like that. I'm sold on, so I'm very excited to try these, and I will keep you guys posted on how they work once I try them. So next up is from EVEREDEN. It's the SPF 50 Premium Mineral Sunscreen. Let me see if I can find this in here. So here it is. Let me open this up really quick. I love it when like sunscreen products have this little like hook. You can hang it onto like your keys or something so you don't lose it. And it's so convenient for sunscreen. I love that. So this goes for $29. It's 2 ounces, so full size. It says this isn't your average sunscreen. It's got the superpower trio you've been waiting for. It features sheer tech zinc for that sheer lightweight texture with top-notch SPF 50 protection, 100% mineral non-nano UV filters for a safer skin particle size that doesn't absorb into the bloodstream. Interesting. And safflower oleotech for all-day hydration and vitamin E boost. That's really interesting. Let me see what this looks like, and I want to see if it has a smell. First off, I love the packaging, like I said about this, but this is really cute. I swear to God, I did not do this on purpose, but we're matching today. Okay, so I'm gonna just squeeze some on the back of my hand. It's not completely white, which I like. It's super duper lightweight. Like, it literally does not feel like a sunscreen. It feels really, really good. It's so shiny too, and it has like a flowery scent to it, but it's not bad. Like, it's not like the rosy smell. I typically don't like that, but this smells really like pretty. I really like the concept of this. I'm really interested in the ingredients, so I'm gonna play around with this and I'll keep you guys posted, especially since we're getting into the warmer months now. Next up, we have from GIRLAKTIC, which I have heard of before. It's the Fruit Superfood Scrub. I'm getting a lot of skincare in this one. I love this. It's $26. It's 80 grams, so it's full-sized. Let me see. So it's 2.82 ounces. It's a scrub. It says, superfoods aren't just for your smoothies. They're also super beneficial in your skincare routine. Powered by a potent infusion of avocado oil, cucumber, and blueberry and strawberry extracts, plus strawberry seeds to exfoliate. This facial scrub is the perfect way to energize and help brighten your skin. I love it. I love all the fruits that are in here. That sounds really, really beautiful. So let me see with the, okay, first of all, the packaging is super cute. I love the light pink. This seems like it would be travel friendly, so you could bring this if you want like a scrub if you're going somewhere. The color is really cool. It literally looks like dragon fruit. Ooh, it feels like honey. It has this weird like sticky, sugary consistency, but I actually really, really love that. I wonder if I could use this on my hands and my face, because I would use this on my face, but my hands need some hydration too, and this feels really good right now. I might put this on my hands tonight and wash them, and then maybe like tonight or tomorrow night I'm gonna try this on my face, but this feels really good and it smells fruity. I absolutely love the smell of this, so I am very excited about this one. Next, we have the Wander Beauty Trailblazer eyeshadow palette. I feel like I've gotten a few Wander Beauty eyeshadow palettes in my days of BoxyCharm and Ipsy. So let's see what this one is all about. Packaging is just like a little like cardboard, so it's not the best quality, but there is a mirror on the top and it's not bad. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shades here. There's some that I see myself using, and then some like these greens that I honestly don't see myself using much. So I'm gonna swatch these really quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I swatched everything. I'm obsessed. I also realized I forgot to read the description, so I'm gonna do that in a second. But I love how these eyeshadows felt and how they swatched. Like, these are very, very pigmented. It's really nice actually. Like the first one that I dipped my finger into, I was like, oh, this is like buttery soft. It felt so good, and then it swatched so beautifully. And obviously the same thing happened with the rest. So many pretty colors I would love to play with, especially these shimmery ones, and even these greens, you guys. Like, I could see myself being Poison Ivy for Halloween, because I've been dying to do that over the last few years, and then using these green eyeshadows for that costume. I feel like that would be so cool, and I just love all of these. I just want to do like one on my lid, just like one of the shimmer shades. I'm gonna do this one, Divya, and just put it on my eyelids to see what, yeah, super, super pigmented. Like, I put no effort into putting that on my eyelid, and I feel like I got more than enough color payoff. It's subtle. It's not crazy, crazy on my eyes, but I actually love that. Like, I could see myself wearing something like this on its own just to give me a pop of something, and it's just really, really beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed with this. I'm for sure gonna keep using this and see how I like it once I do some more looks. But yeah, this goes for $42. It's a little up there. It's full-sized, and it says this stunning eyeshadow palette is inspired by the brand's all-female team of creators and innovators who make it all happen behind the scenes every day, with 10 perfectly curated matte and shimmer shades and a range of neutral nudes, chartreuse, and emerald tones. This thoughtfully designed palette is sure to inspire and uplift you and your look. We're gonna see. I'll keep you guys posted, but so far I'm super happy. And then last but not least is YENSA Beauty. It's the Super Serum Silk Concealer. Try saying that 5 times fast. So this goes for $32. It's full-sized. It says, get ready for your smoothest skin ever thanks to this luminous concealer. Vitamins C and E and ferulic acid help boost brightness to combat unwanted darkness, while skin plumping peptides and an age-defying complex nourish. You're left with a skin-like finish so flawless you'd swear you were using a filter. The packaging is not my favorite, I'll be totally honest, but it's not bad either. Let me see. I have this in the shade medium 1. I feel like that's a good match for me. I feel like Ipsy BoxyCharm always do a good job of matching the perfect color for me. It feels super soft and creamy, and it just looks really beautiful. I'm just gonna, like, with my finger, do a little bit of this. I know it's not a full-on test because I already have makeup on underneath, but it is very brightening. I don't know if you guys could see the difference, but I feel like that definitely brightened up my under eye and kind of hid some of those circles. And it's extremely lightweight, super easy to blend out. Like, I just used my finger and I feel like it melted into my skin. It is very brightening. I really like that. I would say like medium coverage, but it's really beautiful. Again, feels really great. So I will definitely keep playing with this and keep you guys posted. But that's it. That's all 5 products. I'm super excited about this box. I love when I get like the skincare products in my boxes because I love trying out new skincare especially. But everything really got me excited. Like, there's not one product in this box that I'm like not excited to try. So this one was a winner. Obviously, I'm excited for next month, but that is it for today. So comment and let me know what you guys think about what I got. Let me know if you do Ipsy BoxyCharm, if we got the same stuff or if you got something different. Give this a huge thumbs up for me and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.